So today we are in Windsor, Connecticut, on the Hartford line. This is a new crossing. I'm usually in Enfield, Connecticut, but today we're in Windsor because we're shaking things up. Today's mission is to get the Midnight Blue 50th anniversary unit, which has been running up and down on the Valley Flyer for quite a while now. So hopefully, with any luck, we'll get him today. Alright, so first up is a northbound CT rail train who is supposed to be here right now, aka he's late, as usual for American railroads. Alright, here comes that northbound. Love the horn. The P40s look really sharp in that paint scheme. Next up is 450, which is another northbound, and that is indeed a Valley Flyer Northeast Regional, whatever you want to call them. So this could have the Midnight Blue 50th anniversary, whatever you want to call that, unit on it too. So cross your fingers. All right, let's see. Nope, not this time. Come on, give me some good horn. What? I went back to the Parsons Lane crossing for this one. I'm gonna catch 461. Should be here any... Speak of the devil. I heard his horn. That's a good sound. Still no Midnight Blue. We might not get lucky today. Alright, so we got a northbound CT rail train coming up next. Unfortunately, the next train after that is a southbound Valley Flyer. But I already know that it has number 95 on it. So I guess we're not catching that Midnight Blue 50th anniversary unit today. That makes me kind of upset, but, you know, that's the art of rail fanning. You almost never get to see what you want. Alright, here comes that CT rail train. Yeah, this is one of the best spots you can go to if you want to hear like P40s at notch 8, because they accelerate right out of that corner there. They shake the ground like freaking crazy. It's pretty awesome.